back in the good old days, castles, kingdoms, fair ladies were won in battles or by jousts, and we thought, what better way than to reuse an old object matrix faceplate than by having a joust. So first of all, we're going to bend some metal around a broomstick. We then fix these on, turn it over, and hey presto, we have a lance for our jousting contest. Here we have the perfect jousting lance made out of object matrix faceplates. Let's go make a shield. So luckily my father, being a genius with metal, made the boys some shields when they were younger. So we'll dress this up a little bit and we'll use this as a shield made from object matrix faceplates. This isn't going to be a pretty construction, but it'll get the job done. But every knight needs its steed, and this will be mine. So it's time to take my trusty steed and go do battle with the young Ivor. Just gonna get this way. Just gonna get my shield. It's not heavy at all. Right. And my joust. And I'm ready to go.
And here, coming from the left, Sir Very Welsh hits the shield, but the young man survives. And again. Whack, down he goes. Hashtag great parenting. A clear victory for Sir Welshie in this fine battle as he takes the spoils. If you've got a silly idea for what to do with an old object matrix faceplate, please get in touch. Diolch.